Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, black screen or other issues on PS5. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5. It will resolve temporary bugs and glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. After that, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first. Now hold down power button unless to beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, then click on settings. Click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update option. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings and click on users and accounts and move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl game and click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl game. Next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose language options in the left sidebar. Now choose current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next solution is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5, then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings and at last choose restore option. Next solution is to reinstall Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl game. First highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl game again to check if the error is resolved or not. If not, then the final method is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game and hopefully the support team will help to resolve the issue and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.